Could nickel be making its way off the base metals list and onto the precious metals list? If one man has his way, it could be a possibility. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're starting today off at. Gold is trying to recover somewhat from a loss yesterday, currently at $1737.64. Silver is down slightly, currently at $26.43. That gives us a ratio of 65.73. Platinum is steady, currently at $1,195.38. Palladium is trying to get back over that $2,400 mark, currently at $23.90.88. And rhodium has set another all-time high record of $26,500. In base metals, copper is up slightly, currently at $4.19. Nickel is down, currently at $8.46. Aluminum is up nicely at 99 cents. Zinc is at $1.29, and lead is at 95 cents. Barrels of crude oil are down. They're struggling to stay over $60 a barrel, currently at $60.79. We saw some really nice gains on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow was up 603 points at 31,535.51. The Nasdaq was up 396 points at 13,588.83. And the S&P 500 was up 90 points at 39,0182. The U.S. dollar index has improved nicely over the last 24 hours, currently at 91.15. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, the price is trying to get back over 50,000. It is struggling to get there, though. We did get there overnight yesterday. But currently we are at 48,777.51. And if you happen to exchange a gold back today, whether that be the Utah or the Nevadan, those are exchanging for $3.10 today. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there could be a base metal that could be moving on to the precious metals list soon enough if one man has his say. And this comes to us from Kitco News. Rajan Dahl over there at Kitco. It's titled, Tesla boss Elon Musk is concerned by the lack of nickel supply. Tesla boss Elon Musk has been on the wire, citing his concern at the lack of nickel in the market. BHP Nickel West Asset President Edward Heigl mentioned the possibility of Tesla using BHP's nickel supply, and around 70% of it's already used to develop batteries around the world. Musk tweeted, quote, "Nickel is our biggest concern for scaling lithium-ion cell production. That's why we are shifting standard range cars to the iron cathode. Plenty of iron and lithium, exclamation point." In July of 2020, Musk said that a giant contract for a long period of time would be provided to a miner capable of sustainability in extracting nickel due to the high cost of EV batteries. Tesla manufacturing industry executive Drew Baglino said the company intended to mine its own battery metals. Quote, We're going to go and start building our own cathode facility in North America, leveraging all of the North American resources that exist for nickel and lithium, Baglino said. Just doing that and localizing our cathode supply chain and production, we can reduce the miles traveled by all the materials that end up in a cathode by 80%, which is a huge savings of cost. There we have it. Sounds like Elon Musk and company are getting into the mining game, and nickel is their target. What does that mean for nickel pricing? Well, for Elon Musk and Tesla, it sounds like they are going to try to potentially corner a nickel market and drive the price of nickel down. But if they're unsuccessful, then the price of nickel will continue to rise. It sounds like there's going to be a lot more demand for nickel than what the supply just here in North America is going to supply. So I believe, now I'm not a financial advisor, take this with a grain of salt, and a dose of penicillin, that I think that nickel will rise over the next couple of years. We've seen a significant rise in nickel over the last couple of years. It wasn't too long ago where, just in the last 24 months, we saw nickel trading at below $5, and now we're nearing $8.50. So there's a lot of swing there. Last week we almost saw it hit $9. So there's a lot of swing just in the last couple of years in nickel, and I think that we could potentially see that go quite a bit higher into a market range where it could, I don't know if it's going to ever compete with silver, but we could be seeing nickel being viewed as a precious metal. If it gets into the range of, $10, $12, $15 an ounce, you could start seeing bullion companies actually selling 1 ounce and 10 ounce nickel bars. I think that would be actually pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If nickel got above, say, $12 an ounce, which, just a few years ago, we were buying silver bars at $12 an ounce, would you be interested in purchasing nickel bars? I'd be very interested to hear what you have to say down in the comments below. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you happen to appreciate old IndyXP Bullion, let me know it by hitting that like button right there. That thumbs up really helps me out in defeating YouTube. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content comes out, make sure you hit the subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when new content comes out. Of course, we're going to pop the box up on this side of the screen. This is the gateway to the back catalog, somewhere around 440 videos strong now. You can start clicking through those at the end of this video at your heart's content. Whew, got it all out. Guys, I've been IndyXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.